going on, guys? I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy one pan Cajun shrimp and vegetable dinner. It's very popular on my website, comes together in no time, and you're gonna love it. Without further ado, let's hop on in. Be using Italian fat leaf parsley, voila. Then we're gonna be using some Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, cumin, a shallot, garlic. You really want to use a good quality bone broth. This one's from Fond. I love it. Don't forget the sausage. It is a Cajun shrimp and sausage dish. I'm using Pedersen sausage. It's Whole30. No sugar, super clean, very tasty. Let's get to cooking. We're going to cut up a shallot. I got a large shallot right here. Take the skin off. We're going to give it a nice little mincy mince. Set it aside. Grab yourself a red pepper, cut the ends off. You'll see I'm slicing down, removing the core and seeds. Then you want to cut off the white parts. They're pretty bitter. Do a large slice and then dice. Add to a bowl, set aside. I'm also using a yellow pepper in this, so basically just repeat the steps as before. Large slice and a dice. Add to the same bowl, set aside. I have 2 zucchini here that we're going to chop up. Cut the ends off, cut them in half, and then half again. It's called a half moon slice. So you're basically just going to do a pretty large slice there. Super good for stir fries. They cook nice and evenly, so I like to cut them this way. Repeat the process. Get them all chopped up. Add to a bowl, set aside. I'm going to use 3 garlic cloves for this recipe. Cut the ends off. You're going to give this a nice mince, set aside. Grab your sausage. We're going to cut this in half. And then we want to do this into slices. Do them pretty thin. That way they're going to get nice and crispy. Super tasty in the dish. Let's chat spice mix. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons Old Bay seasoning, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin. Grab a spoon, mix that up, and then set aside. Right here I have 2 pounds of shrimp that I did devein. I'm patting them dry, that way it's going to get a better sear. Put the spice mix all over, give them a nice toss. Add the remaining spice mix, toss again, and this way you can ensure each side is nicely coated. And then we're about to cook this up. Grab yourself a 12-inch pan. I'm using my cast iron. Put this on medium-high heat. I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Throw the sausage in. We're going to let those crisp up. Let those sear for a little bit. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. The beautiful part about this step, you can see it's releasing the oils. So we're basically going to flavor the shrimp and vegetables that way. Once they get a nice browning, remove them from the pan. Add in the peppers. You can see it's already sizzling beautifully in that oil. Also throw in the zucchini. We're basically going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, tossing often. Make sure you give the peppers and zucchini a nice sprinkle of salt and pepper. Continue to saute. You're going to know these are done when you can see that zucchini is starting to get nice and caramelized. The peppers are softening up. So we're going to remove these from the pan. Now add in about a tablespoon of avocado oil to the pan. You're going to want to swirl the pan around. Throw the shrimp in an even layer. We're going to let those sear for about 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes is up, we're going to flip those. You can see they got a gorgeous sear on them. Cook for about another minute, and then we're going to throw in the 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to throw the shallot and garlic in and cook about another minute or 2. Drop the heat to medium. Now we're going to want to add in our pepper, zucchini. Also throw the sausage in and any juices. Give that a nice toss. Add in the 1/4 cup of bone broth. Drop the heat to a simmer. We'll just let the saute have all the flavors mingle and come together. And that's it. Now that this hung out for a little bit, it's done. It smells delicious. The last thing to do, let's serve it on up. Right here I have some cauliflower rice. You could do side of your choice. Basically spoon it over. You want to make sure you get a nice mixture of the shrimp, the sausage, all the zucchini and peppers. And then it's time to enjoy. I'm telling you, this is such a perfect, easy weeknight meal that you are going to love. If you did love this video, give me a little like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.